We live in a social media driven economy where everyone's competing for audience engagement, and captivating your followers on social media has never been more important. Hey guys, Shanice here, and today I'm going to share 4 tips on how to use content to captivate your audience on social media so that your practice makes a significant impact online. Don't forget to subscribe to the Vybz Studios YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to receive an alert every time we share new content. Number 1, create content that's engaging and interactive because it lets your audience personalize and participate in it. Interactive content like polls and quizzes can help convince patients that your services are a good match for their needs. Number 2, create content that inspires action. Directly ask your audience to engage with your content, whether it's to leave a comment, send a direct message, or share a post. Sometimes your followers won't know what their next step is until you tell them. Number 3, create content that's credible. Credibility is a very important factor when it comes down to choosing a doctor. Create content that demonstrates your industry expertise and promotes credibility so that potential patients will want to trust you. Number 4, create content that is informative and valuable. Informative content particularly works well on platforms like YouTube, where users are actively searching for more information on a specific service or experience before committing to doing it themselves. This is the perfect opportunity to show potential patients that you're an industry expert at what you do and appear higher than your competitors for those search results. These 4 actionable tips on how to attract patients to your practice are only effective if you put the work in. So remember to create visually captivating content that is interactive, actionable, credible, and informative. But choose the medium and platform that works best for your target audience. If you'd like to learn more about how you can attract more patients to your practice and retain them for life, pre-register for my Patient Growth Accelerator program today. Or if you prefer to work with an agency that will handle everything for you, check out visualvibstudios.com to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Vybz Studios YouTube channel for more helpful content.